Get into the video on the mower. Those of you that were asking for the capless fuel system stuff, the angled funnel and the straight funnel, I do have it in 3 different types of material now: PETG, ASA, and nylon. And basically the process is, after I print this and they cool down, I put them back in a baking oven again and I anneal them to make them even stronger. So here's the 30-degree one. It's 3 inches longer and it's got a 30-degree angle to it, so it's more of a pour in, almost directly up and down style. You guys were asking for that. This is what unlocks that capless system on the Fords, Chevys, Hondas. We're asking for a couple different styles. So there we go. There's the black nylon. Here is white ASA, the straight style. Here's a textured nylon that's been annealed. It's stronger now. So these are ready to go. And then I have got some oil filter pre-filler kits back here that are made out of ASA CF15 that have been annealed as well, and a couple Hyper ABS black that you guys have been asking for. So there you are. What's going on, guys? The new Wild Badger 40 volt 21 inch 7 height position, adjusted with one single handle over here. That thing moves up and down, and it literally, like butter, moves the entire deck. It's at 7 height positions. It's got 3 different handle positions. The whole handle actually moves with a spring loaded pin. Here on each side there's a pin, and it's got 1, 2, 3 different positions for taller people, normal height people, shorter people. It's got a variable speed for the self-propelled. Your activation for your actual blade to turn it on is here, and then pull the handle, so that's the safety. Let's see. It's 94 decibels. It can self-regulate the motor. If it detects that it's starting to bog down, it'll actually upregulate itself to a certain amount of RPM. I think it's like maximum 3,400 RPM. The thing is a monster. It's light. For as big as it is, it's only 50 pounds or 54 pounds, something like that. So you got a handle in the front. It literally folds over on itself, and then you tip it back, and it's got a set of pads that it sits on. Where are they at? Here. So there's one of the little pads here. There. So it'll actually fold in on itself, and then once it folds in on itself, you can actually tilt it back and store it in an upright position. It cuts absolutely amazing. Really, really, really good. Here, I'll turn it on real quick so you can hear it. It's not super loud. First, it's loud for about the first 30 seconds to a minute, and then it regulates kind of down, and then it cruises normal. And then after it runs for about 30 seconds to a minute, it will actually kick back down. What I did notice about this, though, a lot of pros about it. It's a side discharge, it's a rear discharge, it's a mulching, it's a bagged. So it's got 4 different ways that you can actually cut grass with this thing. What I noticed is a lot of debris coming out the seal. It doesn't seal very good around the bag. So you'll have to get used to that. It'll kind of trickle out as you're mowing. It'll push back on the bag and it'll push back here. So that's one improvement that I can say I would like to see Wild Badger work on, is this bag, this seal, the way it seals up against this here, it is not very good at all. Where that mower there, they're 91 decibel, 18 inch. That right there, there's like almost zero anything comes out of that bag at all. That is a phenomenal mower. That little mower right there is a rockin' sockin' son of a gun. Now, for a little 18-inch mower, not being self-propelled, that thing absolutely runs amazing. The bag system that's on it too, with the little flap that opens and closes, that it looks like my daughter broke or somebody broke and didn't tell me about it, so the little flap is actually not on the little part right there. Okay, so that's new. Okay, yeah, so we're uncovering stuff as we're doing videos here. Woosah, rub the earlobes, right? Don't get mad. Anyhow, this is mower actually comes with 2 batteries and a charger. That mower only comes with 1 battery and a charger. That mower's around $200. This mower's around $450 on Amazon if you actually get the mower from their site. I don't know what deals and stuff the site has to run. You'll have to click on that. I'll put both links down low so you can check it out. It does come with a 3-year warranty. The customer service is great, and they are very responsive if there's any problems from what I can read on the reviews and stuff like that. This mower, it's very heavy duty. The deck, even though it's like I ran over sticks and stuff that I would normally pick up, I said to hell with it. I ran it over with this anyway just to kind of see what happened. It just chewed right through it. And if you go to Wild Badger's website, and they may even have it on Amazon, I don't really know, you can pick up 2 blades for this thing for like $17.99. It just cuts. It absolutely annihilates. So I like this. I like this push mower. Like I said, before the Wild Badger, the 18-inch, I was not into anything electric when it came to lawn equipment. I've changed my mind. I love their product line. It is absolutely phenomenal. It works well. It doesn't beat my body up. I'm not all tired and stuff when I'm done mowing the grass. And it keeps the noise and stuff down, so I can actually, if I needed to have a conversation while I was mowing, say something to my daughter or my wife, whatever, I don't have to shut the thing off. They could come up to me and I could have the conversation without shutting it off. And if you ask what this is here, I custom made this today, because if I'm out in the yard and the battery is going to run down, I want to have my battery on me, with me. So I decided to make a custom mount for the second battery so I can have it out in the yard instead of having to come all the way back to the garage. This here is a mount that I made to go over the battery and then slide onto the handle, and it's actually made of heavy duty nylon. There you are. There you go. So what do you think? What do you guys think? Is the Wild Badger 21-inch self-propelled mower in your future? Because I know I sure love it. I absolutely love this thing. And I will be using it every time. My daughter might have to fight me to mow the grass. She's been liking this thing mowing the grass, so we'll see. We shall see. Seeing both of them sitting here side by side. It's kind of neat. I have to take this out and clean it up a little bit tomorrow. It's kind of late now, but that kind of did concern me with the flap, the way it seals up against the bag. Either the bag needs to be made a little better, or the flap needs to, they need to figure out a system to seal that a little bit better. But overall, phenomenal product. Or what I'll do is I'll come up with a method here. Maybe I'll build a gasket to go around the perimeter. I don't know. I'll have to figure something out here. I'm not sure yet. I just thought this was kind of neat too. If you're interested in getting one of these, let me know. I'll build one for you. I'll make it. It sits on there tight too. Doesn't wobble around or anything. And with that being nylon, it ain't gonna break. It's strong. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Take care. I'm out. I'll leave the links down below for this if you want to check it out. Peace.